So my name is Kelli Simpkins, and I am a member of Tectonic Theatre Project and have been for the past probably 19 years. I got involved with the Laramie Project about 6 months in after, probably 6 months after their first trip. So I'm here at the school to work with the cast of the Laramie Project and to offer, my expertise in working on the play for as long as I have and co-creating and crafting that piece. Well, it's interesting because when we were first making this play, the question that Moises asked was, do we as theater artists have a role to contribute in this dialogue that's happening nationally when Matthew was killed and it became front page news for the first time and only time that a gay person was murdered and everyone was talking about it. It was Laramie, Wyoming, this microcosm of a community. So I think one of the reasons that the play has had such a life is, well, one, because every community is like every other community. People grapple with similar things that community was grappling with. And it really was our community talking to this community. And I think the mirror of that, as this play goes from community to community, is really this community of characters in Laramie talking to this community that's going to come here in Ontario. There are a lot of communities who feel like this would never happen in their community. And I think it's erroneous, because I think this could happen anywhere, and it does happen everywhere. So I think that's one, as an LGBTQ person and somebody who's identified as gay, is my identity, and queer, I think going to see a play about a young gay person who lost their life just because they were gay is really important as an issue still, because it's still happening. So I think this play just has a lot in it for other communities to really think about themselves and honor what's good about their community and really question what's complex and complicated and maybe not so good about their own communities.